Come here. Give it here. Give it. Tyson. Give Mommy your baby. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it, Ty. Go get your baby. Go get it. Hey, bring it here. Bring it here. Bring it here. Oh, Tyson, are you a bad boy? Are you bad? Boo. Tyson, are you a bad boy? Are you a bad boy? No? Get your baby then. Get your baby. What? What do you want? What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? You want to play babies? You want Mommy to throw it? You want Mommy to throw it? Okay. Bring it here. Bring it here. Bring it here. You don't want to play with Mommy right now? Tyson? You don't like mamas? You don't like mamas? Got a little itch. Tyson? 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 You better get down. You better get down. Look at me. Get. Tyson. Get off Mommy's bed. Get off Mommy's bed. Tyson. Tyson. Hey. Get down. Get down. Get down. Ty. Hey. Hey. Look at me. Tyson. Get down. Get down. You need to get down. You need to get down. You know what? Daddy's going to be home. And you know what happens? He might spank you. You want to get a spank? Then you better get down. Tyson, get down. Get down. Get down now. Get down. Tyson. Huh? You don't care. Hey, listen. Is Daddy home? You better go see. Gonna get a spank. You want to get a spank? Tyson, you need to get down. Listen to Mommy. Hey, listen to Mommy. Get down. Be a good boy and get down. 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 All the way down. Good boy. Good boy. You're a good boy, Tyson. You listen to Mama. Good boy. Good boy, listen to Mommy. You're a good boy. He's a good boy.